directly from this source, and this is the platform, and also get a travel insurance in a few minutes. Here you can choose a date and insurance in date and country of travel, and here you can directly buy from this source. Here is the customer testimonial, and also this is the plan, a silver, gold, platinum. Here you can check the details, Medicare, medical transport, and all details here. Here the partner, and also why choosers, global coverage. Here why choosers. Here you can see the details. This is the steps where you can book directly from this source. Here is the details about it. This is the some query where you can clear your query. And here is the some platform where you can solve your query, and there is a some benefit, 24 into customer services available for travels, and high conversion affordable plans, and medical expenses and emergency assistance. So this is the benefit, and also this is the platform where you can book a directly from this source, also get a insurance to be insured for your traveling.